Welcome to our comprehensive guide for entering the United States as an H-1B visa holder. Traveling on an H-1B visa can be both exciting and a bit nerve-wracking, but being well prepared is key to a smooth and successful entry. Today, we'll walk you through what you can expect at the port of entry and provide valuable tips to ensure your experience is as seamless as possible. In this video, we'll cover several important sections to help you prepare for your arrival in the U.S. on an H-1B visa. First, we'll discuss what to expect at the port of entry, followed by potential questions you may be asked by the Customs and Border Protection officers. We'll also provide helpful tips for ensuring a smooth process. And finally, we'll discuss some important notes and reminders. Upon arrival at the port of entry, you'll go through immigration and customs. You can expect a relatively brief but thorough inspection of your documents and a short interview with a Customs and Border Protection officer. This officer will determine your eligibility to enter the U.S. It's important to stay calm and provide clear, concise answers to ensure a smooth process. While CBP officers have discretion in their questioning, it's helpful to anticipate certain questions. You should be prepared to answer questions about the purpose of your visit by stating you're here to work under your H-1B visa. You'll also need to identify your employer, your job title, where you'll be working, and when you're due to start. Be ready to present information about your travel arrangements, such as a return ticket. Have your personal information at hand, covering your previous employment, education, and any family or contacts in the U.S. Also, specify your living arrangements during your stay. It is crucial to declare all items brought with you, particularly food and agricultural products, as bringing such items can lead to serious consequences. Lastly, if you've visited the U.S. before, be prepared to explain the purposes of your previous visits. Following these tips can significantly smoothen your entry process. Start by organizing all your necessary documents, including your passport, visa, and I-797 approval notice, ahead of your trip. Keep them readily accessible in your carry-on luggage. When answering questions from the officers, ensure your responses are clear, concise, and truthful. Avoid including unnecessary details and let the officer steer the conversation. Additionally, refrain from bringing any food, plants, or other agricultural products into the U.S. to avoid complications. Lastly, always maintain a professional demeanor with CBP officers, being courteous and respectful. Composure is essential, even if you face unexpected questioning. It's quiz time. What should you do if asked about the purpose of your visit by a CBP officer? Is it A. Explain thoroughly, including all details. B. State you are working under an H-1B visa. Or C. Ask the officer for more clarification. You may pause the video now to think about the answer, and we'll discuss it in the next section of the video. The correct answer is option B. State you are working under an H-1B visa. Providing a concise and clear answer helps streamline the process and reduces the risk of unnecessary complications. It's crucial to remember that while this guide covers common questions, CBP officers may ask additional questions based on their assessment. The most important thing is to always provide truthful and accurate information, as failure to do so can result in visa denial or other serious consequences. In summary, to ensure a smooth arrival to the United States as an H-1B visa holder, it's important to understand what to expect at the port of entry, prepare for the questions you may be asked, and follow crucial tips like organizing your documents and remaining respectful. And remember, providing truthful and accurate information is key to avoiding complications. Have a safe and pleasant trip. Thank you for watching this guide on entering the United States as an H-1B visa holder. We hope you found the content helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We would also love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share them in the comments section below.